Hello everyone. Today I will be reviewing Best Removal Tool. If you want to know whether you should buy Best Removal Tool, then please watch this video till the end. Also, don't forget to check out the first link in the description below to find real user reviews of Best Removal Tool left by users who have bought and used the product.
Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Best Removal Tool website was launched on June 13, 2011. Best removal tool comes with 60 days money back guarantee. So if you are unhappy after the purchase, you can request a refund within 60 days. Currently, we don't have direct experience with best removal tool. So we would like to invite everyone who have used the product to please visit the link in the description below at the website cbreviewsworld.com and leave a comment about what you think of this product. By doing so, you will help everyone who are researching about pest removal tool to decide if they should buy this product or skip it. We thank you for cooperating with us by leaving your reviews on our website. Your reviews will benefit everyone who are researching for best removal tool. Thanks. Have a good day.